from a text file. You got it? That is what we have implemented in the previous class. So I got a mail. Click here to unlock your account. When I click that mail, it will go to some other application. In future, I will give the Angular URL. It will go to Angular application. I got the temporary password. Now take this temporary password, go to the Swagger UI. Before that, check in the database, select a star from user account. Select a star from user account, run this. Select a star from user account, run this query. Select a star from user account. Now record is inserted. Record is inserted. User ID is 1. Account status, city ID, country ID, created date, date of birth, email ID, first name, gender, last name, user password. User password. Temporary password is created. But there is a problem. Account status came as a null. Why the account status is coming as a null value? I think there is some issue. Account status should be unlocked. Account status should be unlocked. We don't send the account status from here. Account status should be generated by our application. It has to set the account status. Go to service IMPL, where I am setting the account status. Save user method. Entity.set account status is locked. Then why it is not? Oh. Copy properties. After copying the properties, we are setting the account status. Guys, there is a problem. There is a mistake. There is a bug. First I am setting the account status to the entity. Then I am copying the properties. When I copy the properties, account status value copying from the user form to entity. In the user form, we are not setting the account status here, so it will come empty. So this account status is becoming empty in this line. That's why in my database account status coming as null. So what I need to do is, after copying the properties, I have to set the account status. After copying the properties, I have to set the account status. If I do that before, then it is giving a problem. I'm setting that, but I'm resetting it. So that's why it is coming null. Let me copy this value. Let me paste it. After bin properties are copied, I'm setting account status as locked. See, when there is a problem, immediately I'm able to understand the problem. That is experience, guys. You have to get into that state. I looked at my database table. I understood that account status is not coming. So directly, I have been to the code. Where is the account status I'm setting? By looking at the code, I understood what is the mistake I have done. That is called problem solving. What happened? I am setting the account status. After that, I am copying the properties. Whatever the data coming in the user form, I am copying to the entity. In the user form, account status will come null because in the user is not giving the status. Then the null value is copying to the entity for the status. That's why it became null. After copy the properties, you set the status. This is a default value should come for every record. Now let's insert one more record. Now, this time, can you check email check functionality with ashokitschool@gmail.com? Try it out. What it is coming? Duplicate. So this method is working as expected or not? With this given email ID, already there is a record in the database. That's why it is coming as a duplicate. Email check method. Now go to save user. Save user. Now, give the data. I want to test the mail functionality, guys. I am giving the same mail ID. If you want, I can delete the record from the table. Delete from user account where user ID equal to 1. Run this. Account is deleted, record is deleted. The particular record I have deleted because I want to insert the same record again. Commit completed. Now check the table. Select star from user account. There is no record available in the table. Now insert this record. Try it out. Check that response success. Go to mail. Did I get one more email at 8:41 AM? Did I get another mail at 8:41 AM? I got another mail. Open. This time my temporary password is different. Password is generating randomly. Hey Ashok, welcome to Ashok IT family. Your registration is almost completed. Please use below details to unlock your account. Temporary password. Let me show you one thing. Yesterday I got some mail from Amazon. See the format of the mail that I got from Amazon Web Services. Yesterday. Some SNS related mail I got from Amazon. Now, what is this mail, guys? Who sent this mail to me? Amazon. In the Amazon mail also there is some text available. There is a hyperlink to confirm the subscription. We have a hyperlink to unlock the account. They have the link to confirm the subscription. Same functionality we are implementing in our project or not, which is using by Amazon Web Services. Whenever you subscribe for one service in the Amazon SNS service, AWS is sending a notification to my mail ID. In that mail there is some text available and there is a hyperlink also available. Our functionality is also similar to this or not? Our functionality is also similar to this functionality or not? I got this mail yesterday. On the April 1st, I got this mail from AWS. Same functionality or not? Same functionality or not? A email with some text and a hyperlink. That is what we implemented today. Email with some text and some hyperlink. In the text we have dynamic data. Username, first name, last name, temporary password generated by application, and hyperlink to unlock the account. Copy this password and try to unlock the user account. Before unlocking, check it. What is the user record available now? See this functionality. Now see, account status locked is coming now. Earlier it was not coming. There is a bug. I fixed it. There is a code change. I have done. User record, user ID, account status, city ID, country ID, created date, date of birth, user email, first name, last name, gender, password. This is temporary password. Country ID, state ID is coming. Temporary password is available. Now, with this username and password, can user log in into the account? Check it. Go to the login. Give the email ID and password. I'm giving this email ID. ashokitschool@gmail.com. Temporary password I have received. Click on try it out. What is saying that? Your account is locked. Still my account is locked. Can I log in with the locked account credential? No. Give details incorrect password. Click on try it out. Invalid credential. Scenario working or not? Login functionality. When I give wrong credentials, it is saying that invalid credential. When I give the correct password, email ID and password is correct. Click on try it out. What it is saying? Your account is locked. Login functionality working as expected. Go to unlock account functionality. Confirm password. Now I will give my password as abc@123. Email ID I will give ashokitschool@gmail.com. New password abc@123. Temporary password I have received in the email. Whatever the password I have received in the email, I copied that password I am giving for temporary password. My email ID, confirm password. Click on try it out. Account unlocked successfully. Go to this database and check it. What is the status of my account now? Now my account is unlocked or not? My password is updated or not? I have updated my original password in the database and my account is also unlocked. Now can I log in into my account? Go to this, login, password I will give, dummy. What it will tell? Invalid credentials. Give the correct password. My password is abc@123. Click on try it out. Login success. When I give incorrect, 3 scenarios we have tested. When we give credentials invalid, it is saying that invalid credentials. When I give credentials with locked account, it is saying that your account is locked. When I give valid credentials with unlocking, then it is saying that success. It is working. Now let's go to forget password functionality. Okay. Forget password. Where is that? Forget password. Give the dummy email ID. abc@gmail.com. Click on try it out. Invalid email. Boss, for the given mail, there is no record available. For the given mail, there is no record available. Let me give correct mail ID. ashokitschool@gmail.com. Click on try it out. Click on try it out. Password sent to your registered email. Go to the mail. Recover password. Mail is receiving or not. At 8:46 a.m. I have received a recovered password. Hi Ashok IT. Welcome to Ashok IT. Please find your password below. This is your original password. When you are trying to execute the forgot password, if you give invalid mail ID, it is saying that invalid email. If you give correct mail ID, then it is retrieving the password. It is sending the password to you in the email. This is recover password. All the functionalities are working in the backend as expected. I have done the coding. How many problems I got? Without testing, I have done the coding in front of you. When I tested, I found one issue. Where I found the issue? In the status. Status was not inserted for first time. Then I have changed that code. I have fixed that issue. Why I am not getting these exceptions? Why my code is working as everything is worked perfectly except one scenario. When I have inserted the record, by default status is null. I fixed it within 1 minute. Not even 1 minute. Within 30 seconds, I fixed that issue. When I get the problem, I know from where the problem is coming, what is the root cause. Immediately I have fixed it. That is problem solving skill. Backend project testing completed now. Everything is working. It is ready. Spring Boot REST API I have used. Email functionality I have used. Random password I have used. Unlock password, unlock account functionality. Swagger documentation is available. Everything, whatever is there in the requirement, everything is working now. Why are you guys are struggling? Did I execute this code which I developed in the previous batch? All this coding, whatever I have done in this class, is it implemented in our class or not? Is this code I have implemented in our class or not? I don't know what you guys are listening. Backend testing is completed now. What else pending? Front end implement karna padega. Tomorrow we will do the front end. Tomorrow we will complete the Angular part. If I am giving the time and if I am taking the responsibility, if I am teaching from heart also, people are not understanding the importance of that. Guys, my project is completed. My testing is also completed with the Swagger. I found one issue in the testing. I have fixed that issue. Perfectly my backend functionality working. It is able to insert the record in the database. I'm able to use the user registration. I'm able to unlock the account. I'm able to log in into my account. And I'm able to recover my password also. All the 4 functionalities are working as expected. Today is the last deadline for you to complete this backend. Today is the last deadline for you to complete this backend. Tomorrow I will complete this Angular. Tomorrow I will complete this Angular for this. Thank you guys. We'll meet again tomorrow. From now onwards, I will not force you to do the assignments and all. If you are interested, you do it. Otherwise, you leave it. I will complete the syllabus. I will complete the syllabus. Thank you.